painting is a conversation. A way of complete connection with the landscape. But how do I make something that gives me that feeling? That activity of being outside is primeval. The remnants of movement, the markings on a surface, layering and scraping, palette knife and paint, your size to its size and its scale. I caught the accident, I caught the chaos, drawn to that fine balance between construction and destruction. Nature and painting, nature and art, nature and being. They are all saying the same thing, because we are the same thing.